Y'all, we back with another video, and I'm in a car wash right now, and this is gonna be fun. Okay, the Jiggle Monster, the Jiggle Cookie Monster, it's shooting out his bubbly poop. Okay. Uh-oh, what's coming next? What's coming next, guys? Let's find out. What the heck? What is that, guys? Oh my god! Oh! What is that? Is that rainbow on water? Oh, it's rainbow soap! See, Dad, this is my favorite part of car washes. It gives us fun things. Rainbow is going away. It looks like it's coming inside our car. Or Mommy's car. Because she paid for the car. Oh, shoot. What's coming next? More water. What is this? What the heck? Is this blowing? Is this blowing water? The water's blowing away from us. It's trying to blow away from us. That was nice. Let's see the results. Okay, we're exiting. Shut up. Okay, guys, that's